Here we can see how to connect to Bedrock model from AWS using Langchain. So two libraries I am installing here, Langchain AWS and Python.tnb. So Langchain AWS is to import chatbedrock and Python.tnb to load environment variables. So we need three items, which is AWS access key, secret access key, and AWS region. To connect to the desired AWS Bedrock model, we need the model ID as well. So this is how we initialize an LLM using Langchain. So here we use the chat bedrock and we provided the model ID. So in this 3 lines, LLM is being initiated. So next step is to give the prompt for the system. So once given the prompt, we can invoke the LLM using the invoke method. So in the invoke method, we pass the messages. So the messages contain a specific formatting. So using Langchain AWS, we have the format like this, where it is a list of tuples. It contains system for system prompt and human for the user prompt. So this is a basic prompt that I created. It is to greet the user and give a movie suggestion. So here the user message is I am checker. So if you run the code, we will get the answer. Yeah. So this is how we connect using Langchain chatbot.